Today we're gonna bring a Mac battery. This is for anybody that has an older machine, a 15-inch screen. We're gonna put the description of what's a model for. Now I do own the actual machine and the battery is failing, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it, but we're gonna do two videos. We're gonna talk about the battery first, and then we're gonna do a replacement video. So today we're just gonna go ahead and look at the actual battery and see the kit that you get. So let's go ahead and open it up. So first of all, what you get, and this is perfect. You're not gonna need anything else but the actual kit. All right. So they give you a napkin. Like it's not a napkin. It's to actually remove any kind of absorbent. It's an absorbent towel. That's what it is. They give you little corner edges so you can actually chip out some of the components because you are gonna have to move some adhesive in there. They give you gloves. If you guys can see the gloves right there, ready to go. The whole package is what you need. Let's go ahead and go on next step. So they give you instructions, step-by-step guide how to remove this, because removing the actual battery, it's a little complicated. So if you're not skillful, you can just follow the steps too, or there's plenty of information on the internet. If you guys notice, they give you instructions on what type of tool you're going to require on every single section. If you guys notice here, the little star with the 5 points, 6 points, 7 points, and so forth. So gives you step-by-step instructions, and if you guys notice, it actually expands even larger. The guide is really good. It's actually accurate, very accurate on everything, how to remove, and then on top of that, you're gonna have to put everything back together. Let's take a look at the rest of the stuff and what's included in here. A little plastic mat that you could put your laptop over it. This is great. This is actually foam mat, all right? So you can put your laptop in there, you don't scratch the back of it, because this is very, very fragile. Scratch is very simple. On top of that, they give you the tools that you're going to require. Every single tool that you're going to need it gives you step by step. They give you every single tool. If you guys see it, look at that. Tiny micro tools that you're going to require because the screws are really, really small. On top of that, the battery component, if you guys can see, the whole battery is included in here. Now, I won't recommend you doing this because batteries tend to, if you bend any corners or anything like that, they might malfunction, especially with the chips in here. So I just want to demo how beautiful the battery is, how well built it is. Instead of going to the Apple store and paying thousands or hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars, depending on the manufacturer, depending on the contract you have, you might end up saving a lot of money if you purchase something like this. Very simple. If you're hands-on, if you're a tech, or you know someone that can do something like this is perfect. So on top of that, they give you the actual, I like this tool. This is one of my favorite tools. I use this for everything because it not only works for the actual computer, but components, but actual phones too. You can remove and scrape certain adhesive or actually even open the laptops in there too. Very simple. And they give you a suction cup. This is to remove components that you have problems, even monitors and screens, sucking them up and pushing them up. And of course, they give you the finger suck, so you could actually run your finger through there and it has some grip in there. This is very handy, very strong. I know people don't notice that the suction cups are not gonna, it's not a tool. It is a great tool if you know how to use it with the components that they give you to you. So pretty much you don't need, off the bat, you don't need any tools or anything. The instructions are included, the kit, the phone cover to actually set up your system in there, and then one of the great things is you could use the slots that they have to actually put your screws in there too, so you won't lose them. So including the actual tools, the battery, another extra tool here to actually get the corners, and then the gloves, the absorbent towel, and a little chip corners too. So, and then they give you adhesives too, so you can replace the existing ones that you're removing too. You know, easy to work with, and instructions follow step by step. Everything that you need is required in the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video.